Hey everybody, Jesse from Better CNC here. I just want to do a quick note on air power for a machine shop with two machines. So air supply was kind of a foreign thing to me when I started building my shop. Not something I really had to calculate or deal with. But if you're looking for a warm fuzzy, I have the Husky 175 PSI. I think it's a 60-gallon tank. Yep. From Home Depot. I think it cost right about $1,000. You might be able to get it with a special or something. I got it plugged into a Harbor Freight filter and regulator, and the Northern Tool Quick Connect air system. But that air compressor is plenty enough to run my Microdynamics Mega 30V, my Leadwell V30, and that's including a Pearson work holding vacuum fixture that I use for production on a pretty regular basis, and air guns and everything else you need. Sometimes you'll notice it'll run quite a bit. It'll get a little warm, but it's made for continuous operation, I believe. Just check the oil, restock it every once in a while, and should be good to go as far as air supply. I got that. I haven't used it. I need to redo my outlet to be able to use that evaporator. But otherwise, I just drain it out of the tank, drain it out of there, and I drain it out of the filter. Shame on me for not filtering more, but that's where we got. Let me know if you got any questions. Have a good one.